So let's do a flapping bird. It's a very easy classical model. Fold the paper in half. We are going to create water balloon base. Now turn it over and fold it diagonally. In both ways, so we get a big cross. Okay, now open it up again. Now you have those two corners, or more sides. Bring them together and pull down, and that's a water pump base. Now fold the upper layer, align with this edge, like so. Okay. Make sure that you take care of the leftover paper by bringing this edge aligned with this one. And just push the other one down. Now, turn your model, flip this down over, and repeat the very same step. Edge to edge. And bring the paper here down. Easy as that. Now we're nearly done. 2 more steps. You maybe see the edge here. You bring the one up here. Now comes the hardest step, which is still quite simple. You want to open it up a little and now bend the paper upwards and use the creases we just created to make it align. So you quite simply have the same shape, but now the other way around. The last step is to make a head. Therefore, you just bend the paper over, fold it, push it, and there you go. Flapping bird.